guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I will be making a kebab, a chicken kebabs. Tomorrow we will have our Christmas party or Christmas Thanksgiving celebration, and we are tasked to cook each room. So my roommates and I decided to have a chicken kebab for our contribution. So yes, yeah, I believe when I upload this video, it will be after Christmas. So this recipe is not just for, Christmas celebration, but you can also do or cook this anytime you want. So yeah, let's start. So yun po, na-debone ko na or yes, natanggalan ko na po ng buto yung ating manok. Nakita nyo naman kanina paano ko hiniwa. At ngayon ay ima-marinate ko na siya. So ito po yung gagamitin ko pang marinade dito sa ating yes. I'll be using a lot of spices. Wait, I will show it to you. So this is the chicken breast. I love to use chicken breast since it's the most or the healthiest part of the chicken. Yeah, just remove the fatty part of that breast. And yes, this is 4 kilograms of chicken breast. Ma-marinate ko na yung chicken ngayon. This will be for 24 hours. So you just need to wait for 24 hours so that your flavorings, of course, will go deep inside the chicken. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so what I have here to use for marinating is the lemon. You can see this lemon, isang piraso, oil, allspice. I ordered this one in Shopee. Okay, so 5 spices na po together, mixed together, and it's very cheap. It's like around 95 peso. And yeah, what I love about this one, it has like an Indian kick. So you know what I'm saying? Indian food. That one. And of course, we have the pepper. And I'm just kidding. I will not use this one. We have salt, pepper, this one, soy sauce, and yeah. I know, that's vinegar, I'm sorry. We have this vinegar and soy sauce. Okay, so yeah, titimplahan nyo lang siya. It depends kung anong preference you with the taste, but for me, yeah, we'll see. So I'll try to open this. Wait, yeah, kita nyo naman. Roll. Ito po yung chicken. And yeah, don't talk when you cook. Okay? Baka, the germs, the bacteria can go inside this chicken, but because I'm vlogging, yeah, I'm accepted. Okay? So, oops. After, Alright, so this is ready. Look at this one. Na-mix ko na siya ng maayos. You just need to put this inside the refrigerator, chiller, or don't freeze it. Just put it inside the refrigerator for about 24 hours, and then I will be right back, and then yes, we'll put this in the sticks, and yeah, see you.
24 hours later.
Alright guys, welcome back. 24 hours na po yung ating chicken. Nailabas ko na siya kanina. Yan po. So, mabango naman. Ngayon, ang gagawin namin ay maghihiwa ng bell pepper and onion for the kebab. Okay? Alright, so magtutuhog lang po kami ng aming kebab para maluto na po namin. Alright, so ready na po siya for grilling. Yan, kita niyo siya. Mukha bang masarap. Yan. Medyo nagkulang po kami sa bawang at sibuyas, ay bawang at bell pepper, but I guess that's how it is. Ayan. Alright, so okay, so mag-grill na kami. I will be back.
Wait.
Yes, naluto na namin ang aming kebab. Alright guys, hindi na ako nakapagpaalam kanina kasi nalobat na yung camera ko. So I hope you guys like this video and just try it. Feedback is really good. Right, see you in my next vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, and of course, comment down below your story. Bye!